Hey guys, this one is actually a really fun geometry setup. So here's what's going on. We've got a rectangle that's 10 units wide and 5 units tall. Inside the bottom corners of that rectangle, we draw 2 quarter circles, each with radius 5, and then sitting near the top of the rectangle, there's a smaller circle that's tangent to the top edge and tangent to both quarter circles. We need to find the radius of that small circle. We'll call it R. Before we jump in, pause the video for a moment if you want to try this yourself. It's a great little geometry problem. All right, let's solve it together. Okay, first, let's just understand the setup. Because the rectangle is 10 units wide, the midpoint of the bottom edge is 5 units from either corner. And since everything is symmetric left to right, the center of the small circle has to lie right above that midpoint. Now, here's the key idea. We're going to connect the center of the small circle to the bottom left corner of the rectangle. Then we drop a dashed vertical line straight down from the small circle's center to the bottom edge. And this is the nice part. We've created a right triangle. The horizontal leg along the bottom is 5 units. The vertical leg goes from the bottom edge up to the center of the small circle, and that length is 5 minus r, because the total height is 5 and the circle sits r units below the top. And the hypotenuse goes from the bottom left corner up to the center of the small circle, which is 5 plus r, since the quarter circle has radius 5 and the small circle adds r more. So we've got a right triangle with one side equal to 5, one side equal to 5 minus r, and the hypotenuse equal to 5 plus r. And now, basically, the rest is pure Pythagorean theorem. We square the legs and add them. So 5 squared plus the quantity 5 minus r squared equals the quantity 5 plus r squared. Now we just simplify. 5 squared is 25. Expanding 5 minus r squared gives 25 minus 10 r plus r squared. On the right side, 5 plus r squared gives 25 plus 10r plus r squared. Here's a nice cancellation. The r squared terms disappear immediately. What's left is 50 minus 10r equals 25 plus 10r. Bring like terms together, subtract 25 from both sides, and we get 25 equals 20r. So r equals 5 over 4. And that's it. That's the radius of the small circle. If you enjoyed this one, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you solved it a different way. We've got lots more fun geometry coming up, and I'll see you in the next one.